Welcome to a new video about best 5 carpet cleaner available in Amazon web store. Carpet cleaner are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I have made reviewed and research from a lot of sources and created this list of top 5 carpet cleaner from trustworthy brands to assist you for making a decision before purchase the product. After extensive evaluation, I discovered these goods to benefit you. If you're interested to learn more about price and link, watch the video and see the description below. Let's watch the video. Number 1. Best overall. Product name: BISSELL Big Green Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner. Right from the start, we loved how simple the BISSELL Big Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner was to set up, thanks to the clear instructions and minimal parts that easily locked into position. Once assembled, this upright did double duty by sucking up dirt and hair before going to work on a myriad of stains ranging from wine to chocolate syrup. After a few passes and the use of the handy wet-dry attachment, the stains had vanished and the carpet was as good as new. Although it weighs over 40 pounds, the wheels on this carpet cleaner make it easy to maneuver around the house. Additionally, the water tanks are easily accessible and a cinch to fill up and dump out. Its volume certainly isn't ear-piercing, but we did note how easy it was to hear from one room over. Let's see customers' feedback. Global rating: 15,626, Amazon rating: 4.7, 5-star, 86%. Number 2. Best for pet owners. Product name: BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Upright Deep Cleaner. The BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Carpet Cleaner is great for pet owners thanks to its included cleaning solution. We wanted to highlight this extra component because the cleaner was not only great for breaking down pet urine, it also effectively masked the scent. Moreover, the stand-up machine's hose and brush attachments also made deep cleaning a breeze, allowing us to intensely scrub away wine and coffee stains with ease. The trade-off for this handy device is the noise it produces. Other carpet cleaners offer different settings that affect the level of noise that is produced, but this cleaner has a single, loud setting that can't be adjusted. It's also important to note that whereas some carpet cleaners simply click into place during setup, the ProHeat 2X requires the use of a screwdriver to attach the cord wrap. Despite these cons, we were impressed with how lightweight yet powerful this carpet cleaner was. Let's see customers' feedback. Global rating: 830, it's new in the market. Amazon rating: 4.3, 5-star, 67%. Number 3. Best budget. Product name: Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner Machine. The Hoover Pro Clean Pet Carpet Cleaner is one of the most budget-friendly options on our list, and it still packs quite a punch. We especially love that its tank capacity, while not as large as some of the other options on this list, was still pretty sizable and required minimal refilling during cleaning sessions. However, note that when it was full, it was a little heavy and hard to maneuver. During testing, it was noticed its solid performance when tackling everything from pet hair to upholstery stains. It didn't leave the carpet too wet at the end of cleaning, but we did note that there were some faint stains left behind. That being said, we highly recommend pre-treating stains before using this device to minimize the potential for lingering marks. Although it does have its quirks, the overall value this device offers was more than enough to make up for these small faults. Let's see customers' feedback. Global rating: 74,803, Amazon rating: 4.4, 5-star, 71%. Number 4. Best lightweight. Product name: Tineco Carpet Cleaner Machine and Lightweight Carpet Shampooer, a carpet portable upholstery spot cleaner. While it may weigh under 17 pounds, the Tineco iCARPET is sturdy and reliable. Those living in small spaces will not only enjoy this device's compact structure, but also its simple assembly that allows pieces to click easily into place. During testing, it was noted that how quiet this carpet cleaner was compared to other options on the market, which is a major plus for those looking to minimize noise while cleaning. While we really loved the size and quiet nature of the iCARPET, its cleaning power could use a boost. It was noticed that the device does excel at cleaning spilled wine and coffee, but set-in dirt and large messes were major obstacles. The iCARPET left behind faint traces of dirt after several passes, while its small 2-liter tank required frequent refilling to clean up major messes. Overall, this lightweight carpet cleaner gets the job done, we just wish it had a little more power. Let's see customers' feedback. Global rating: 450, it's new in the market. Amazon rating: 4.1, 5-star, 64%. Number 5. Best for spot cleaning. Product name: Hoover CleanSlate XL Deep Cleaning Spot Carpet Cleaner Machine. If you need a strong spot cleaner without the added bulk, the Hoover CleanSlate XL is a lightweight option that's easy to move around the house. With a variety of attachments such as brushes and smaller suctions, this 11-pound Hoover performs on a mix of stains, from dark soda to wine, although in the tests, the brighter the stain, the more it struggled. Its performance on pet stains, however, is excellent when used with the included oxy stain removing solution, which quickly eradicates the odor and color of most spot messes. While there are no wheels, the spot cleaner's retractable handle makes it easy to carry it around from one soiled area to the next. Moreover, the gripping textured base keeps the machine stable on almost any surface. During testing, it was noted that it was relatively quiet when operated. In fact, the noise it produced is comparable to that of a standard handheld vacuum. Just note that since this is a great pick for spot cleaning, its limited tank capacity and power doesn't make it suitable for bigger messes. Let's see customers' feedback. Global rating: 6,960, Amazon rating: 4.4, 5-star. 70%. Thank you for watching the video. Let us know your valuable opinion or suggestion by comment. If you want to learn more about price and availability, please check the description below for links. For supporting us to create more video like this or better, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.